The Civic is officially coming back. We have great news. The Civic is returning very soon, and we are getting that 10-second pass. Trust me, boys, I know how much you guys love this car. You guys love this car so much that any video I ever make on this car really blows up on you. Trust me, I love Gundam too. He's my boy. I also know how badly you guys want to see the 10-second pass, and I want it too. It was one thing stopping me from making a 10-second pass and making serious power, and that was a clutch that could handle the power. As of now, I'm also missing a turbo, so we're gonna get one pretty soon, but we did order that one part that is going to make the power. I kind of did a thing. It was so expensive, man. This is why it took me so long to buy a clutch. Look at that. I actually hit up the boys at Action Clutch, and I told them, hey, I want to make around 600 horsepower. What do you recommend? And they were like, dude, you need the Ironman. So I bought the Ironman clutch. I also got the sprung one, which is a street one, because I still want to drive the Civic, even though this is going to be a very aggressive clutch. And yes, I know it says K20 but according to them, once you run the whole flywheel and clutch setup, it's bolt-on on any K series. So yeah, $1,100 for just a freaking clutch. I hope this is everything I need to get into the 10. And it's not going to have clutch chatter, which is normally what's associated with very aggressive clutches. You can hear them. It is going to have a little bit of a rattle, but nothing crazy. And it comes with all these things here. I will have to break in the car for 500 miles. So we will have a road trip on Gundam, or I'm going to daily drive it for 500 miles. Also, I did not use my card to buy that clutch. I used everything in my PayPal account from my IG money. So I wasted all the IG money I've made in the five days that I posted on there, and I got a clutch for this. As soon as we're able to move into our new house, we will drop the engine, replace the clutch, put the turbo back in, go for the 10. Maybe put it on E85. Another thing I want to do is I actually want to drive this out to Humble Performance and have them tune it, just so I know this thing is super reliable. I don't really want a straight tune. I want an actual dyno tune, and I want professionals to look at the car. So we might make a drive out to Humble Performance and have them finish the car so we can get into the 10. Might as well throw it on E85 as well. I also have an oil pan from Bull Boost, a new line from DC Creation, oil pan gas, new turbo guard from Bull Boost, Denton springs from K Motor. I'm telling you, the parts are stacking up for this car. This thing's gonna make a ton of power. And of course, it wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for you guys. So now let's put more names on the Civic. This is all the people that have sponsored this build by entering to win this one. Step 1, let's clean all the residue and junk off the windows so the decals stick. Now we rub in the new names. Look at all the supporters, dude. That is so cool. And we're done. Horacio, he actually won my last giveaway car. Thank you guys. You guys are freaking awesome. Eric, there's your name, man. Dude, look at that. So all the money that I make from putting your names on the back of this car is actually going back to this car. So if it wasn't for all of you here sponsoring this build, we wouldn't be able to buy the clutch. So thank you. Dude, this looks freaking sick. Soon enough, this whole thing's gonna be filled. But the Civic is coming back.